If you want your AI-assisted content to sound more natural, more human, and less robotic, this quick trick can make a huge difference. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write more naturally for AI-assisted content using a very simple method inside ChatGPT. This is perfect if you want your writing to feel smoother, more conversational, and easier for people to actually read. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful AI tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and get ready to start a new chat. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is type your normal prompt. This can be anything you're trying to write. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to write a 50-word essay on AI, a blog intro, a product description, or even a social media caption. The important part is that you begin with your regular request so the AI knows what kind of content you want. Now, after you've entered your prompt, don't stop there. This is where the magic happens. On the next line, type /human. That is written as /human. This simple command helps guide the AI to rewrite or continue the content in a more natural, human-like style. Instead of sounding stiff, overly formal, or obviously AI-generated, the output becomes much more readable and conversational. This is especially useful if you're creating content for a website, a blog, a newsletter, a script, or even client work. A lot of AI text can sound technically correct, but still feel a little flat or unnatural. By using this method, you're giving the AI a signal to make the writing feel warmer and more authentic. That means better flow, better tone, and usually a better final result. Let's go through it again step by step so it's easy to remember. Step 1, go to ChatGPT. Step 2, type your content request, like write 50 words essay on AI. Step 3, after that, type /human. Then let ChatGPT generate the response. You should notice that the content feels more natural and less like it was written by a machine. If the first result is not quite right, you can still refine it. Try asking for a more casual tone, shorter sentences, or a friendlier voice. You can also combine this with other instructions like make it sound like a real person, avoid repetitive phrasing, or keep the language simple and clear. The more specific you are, the better the result will usually be. Another great tip is to use this when editing AI drafts instead of starting from scratch every time. You can generate a first version, then use /human to make it feel smoother. That saves time and helps you keep the speed of AI while improving the quality of the writing. It's a really smart workflow if you want to produce more content without losing that natural touch. So if you've been wondering how to make AI writing sound less robotic, this is one of the easiest methods to try. Open ChatGPT, type your prompt, add /human, and let it do the rest. It's quick, simple, and effective for everyday writing tasks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more AI tips, tutorials, and workflow tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.